Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how to crochet this little thing. It is a keychain for bag or for car. You may use it where you want. And I will record several videos, and 3 to be exact. So I will show you how to crochet each of these paws. The methods of crocheting are different, and I will show you how to crochet each type of these toes. Today we will crochet this type of paw. It is a bit oval, not round, and I will use plush yarn 100 gram to 120 meters and a crochet hook number 4. So let's go. We start with 4 chain stitch. I work 4 chain stitches, and into the second stitch from the hook we start to crochet 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, 3 single crochet into the last stitch of the row, one single crochet on the other side, and 1 increase into the last stitch. So at the end of the round it should be 9 single crochet. I put the marker to identify the beginning of the round, and the next round we work 2 increases, one and 2, then 2 single crochet, one increase, two single crochet, and finish the round with 2 increases. At the end of this round it should be 14 single crochet. We don't finish the last stitch, we will change the color of the yarn. Connect the other color, finish the single crochet and make a knot. The next round we work 14 increases. 1, 2, 3, and work increases till the end of this round. Thirteen and 14. Finish. At the end of the round it should be 28 single crochet, and the next round we start with 9 single crochet. In this round we will crochet toes. So work 9 single crochet, and now we work puff single crochet with the orange color, consisting of 3 not finished double crochet. The first one, the second one, and the third one. It should be 4 stitches on the hook, and we finish it with the blue color. After that, work 2 single crochet with blue color, and repeat this combination twice. Orange puff stitch crochet, finish with blue color, and work 2 single crochet with blue color. It should be 4 toes at all. We work the third one, finish with blue color, and work 2 single crochet, and the last row, 1, 2, and 3, finish with blue color, work 1 single crochet, do not finish it, snip the orange thread, make a knot, and finish the round with 9 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We still have 28 single crochet in the round, and the next round we work 11 single crochet, one increase, followed by 2 single crochet. Repeat it twice. These increases should be between toes. 1 increase and 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, and 1 more increase, and finish the round with 10 single crochet. At the end of the round it should be 31 single crochet in a round. And the next round we work 1 decrease, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 21 single crochet. 21, then work 1 decrease and finish the round with 2 single crochet. At the end of the round it should be 28 stitches in a round. And the next round we work 5 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 4 times. 4, 5, decrease, and 3 more times. Finish it. It should be 24 single crochet in a round. Now we need to fill the paw with fiber a bit. And from the next round we start to close the paw. So the next round we work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat 8 times. Decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and 6 more times. This is the last one. It should be 16 single crochet in a round. We fill the paw with fiber 1 more time. And work the last round. It is 8 decreases. Now we need to close the paw and tighten the ring. Snip the thread, leave the thread a bit longer in order to tighten the ring. We will use sewing needle to tighten it. We need to take 8 stitches, but take only front loops. Collect off all of them on the thread. And tighten the ring. After that, hide the thread in the paw. And snip the thread. So we finish our keychain. So we have these types of paws with lovely toes. I hope you like it and you've done it. So thank you for crocheting with me. Put likes, write comments if you like it. and see you in the next video. Bye bye.